Hi friends, welcome back to English Worms. I am Vikas sir. We are going to discuss about the current affairs GK of 16 November 2021. So without getting any late, let us start from question number 1. So this is question number 1 in front of you. The question is, which union ministry is set to launch Nutrition Smart Village initiative? Again the question is, which union ministry is set to launch Nutrition Smart Village initiative? Options are Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Ministry of Rural Development, Ministry of Women and Child Development, Ministry of Food Processing Industries. So the right answer is option A, that is Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Explanation is Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare is set to launch a program on Nutrition Smart Village to strengthen the Poshan Abhiyan. The scheme is a part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. This initiative aims to reach out to 75 villages across India through the network of All India Coordinated Research Project on Women in Agriculture. It aims to promote nutritional awareness, education, and behavioral change in rural areas using local recipe to overcome malnutrition and implementing nutrition sensitive agriculture. So here is the question number 2. Which country formed a parliamentary friendship association with India recently? Again, which country formed a parliamentary friendship association with India recently? Options are Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bangladesh, Japan. The right answer is option A, that is Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka formed India-Sri Lanka Parliamentary Friendship Group with senior members of Lankan Parliament to promote bilateral ties with India. The country had earlier decided to buy fertilizer from India after rejecting the Chinese fertilizer consignment. The India-Sri Lanka Parliamentary Friendship Association for the 9th Parliament of Sri Lanka was established recently. Question number 3. The UN peacekeeping chief warned about crisis in Sahel region located in which continent? Again, the UN peacekeeping chief warned about crisis in Sahel region located in which continent? Options are Africa, Asia, Europe, Australia. So the right answer is option A, that is Africa. So the UN peacekeeping chief warned about the crisis in Africa's Sahel region. He highlighted that millions of people are displaced. He also warned about the lack of access of schools to children and lack of primary health care to the people. He was speaking at a UN Security Council meeting on the G5 Sahel Force. It was set up by 5 African nations, namely Chad, Mali, Burkina Faso, Niger, and Mauritania in 2017 to fight the terrorist threat in the Sahel region. Here is the question number 4. The question is, when is the World Pneumonia Day observed across the world? Again, when is the World Pneumonia Day observed across the world? Options are November 12, November 14, November 16, November 18. The right answer is November 12. World Pneumonia Day is observed every year on November 12. Over 100 children organizations joined the Global Coalition Against Child Pneumonia to hold the first World Pneumonia Day. Under the Universal Immunization Program, the pneumococcal conjugate vaccine PCV program was launched in India. The program aims to spread awareness and reduce mortality and morbidity among children due to pneumonia. In India, it is estimated that 1.2 million children die before 5 years and 15.9 of deaths are due to pneumonia. This is the last question of the day. The question is, which company has launched new smaller dish to connect with satellites in low Earth orbit? Again, which company has launched new smaller dish to connect with satellites in low Earth orbit? Options are Blue Origin, SpaceX, Virgin Galactic, NASA. The right answer is option B, that is SpaceX. So the explanation is SpaceX CEO, SpaceX, right? SpaceX CEO Elon Musk satellite internet service Starlink has launched a new smaller and rectangular dish to connect with satellite constellation in low Earth orbit. It is a thinner and lighter weight option than the circular dish that Starlink beta users have been testing over the last year. Starlink SpaceX satellite internet project aims to launch about 12,000 satellites into low Earth orbit where they can provide broadband internet coverage to people on the ground. So now this is time to answer the question. I had asked a question yesterday. The question was, Borneo Island is the part of which among the following countries? The options were Malaysia, Indonesia, Brunei, all of the above. The answer is all of the above. That means Borneo Island is located in all the three countries. That is Malaysia, Indonesia and Brunei. Okay. So now this is time for the question of the day. So the question is, headquarters of National Housing Bank is located at, again, headquarters of National Housing Bank is located at, options are Hyderabad, Lucknow, Mumbai, New Delhi. So answer this question in the comment box. I will answer this question tomorrow when I make the next video. So thank you everyone. Thank you for watching the video. Stay blessed, stay healthy and get knowledge. Thank you everyone.